So here we are in the village of Espinhal, and we're going to see what was the old bakery going back, and baker's house by the way, going back quite a while. The new bakery is at the end of this street on the right hand side. We're more or less in the centre of the village, and just to the right is a cafe. Further down the road we have supermarkets, a pharmacy. It's a village that has everything. Okay, here's the front facade. There's a cat enjoying the afternoon, and here is the side of the property. Runs to where the smaller white houses. Come around here, have a property being renovated, and the 19th century village church. You can park at the front of the property, as you can see here, and further down the street as well. Okay, here we go. I think we're going to know what was the shop. These shelves used to have the loaves, buns, etc. And then we pass through into what was the bathroom. Okay. Now, further down the end of the corridor, you'll turn left, and you will see the old bread oven, most of which is still in situ. Just go outside to show you the lane. Okay. Here is the bread oven. Or should I say the oven. A bit bigger than the normal bread oven here. Very high ceilings in this area. Excuse me. Okay, back up into the house and shop. Now we're going to turn left. There are double doors here that go onto the street. Here's the electric meter. And up the stairs we go. On the left, the original kitchen with stairs going up into the loft. The old cooker, water tap, and nest. Okay. We'll pass into another corridor. Go to the front. The floorboards are in wood, as you can see. Some are original. It's been obviously over the years they've repaired hither and thither. These doors have been done in single aluminium, single glazed aluminium. Here, bedroom, original ceiling. Corner cabinet. Two windows in here. The walls are in stone. 55 centimeters thick. Little Juliet balcony here. Beautiful day today, as you can see. Okay, out to the rear. I think you could easily make 4 bedrooms in this place. Small bedroom here. The place has not been occupied 20 years. Okay, to the rear, we're now over the oven. And this looks like the family who used to live here. This is the side of the house. You can see the village is in a beautiful area. Nice mountain views. Off this larger room, there are 2 single bedrooms. Another one here. Floor doesn't look too brilliant here, so whoever's going to come in is going to have to do a lot of work. But you would end up with a very large property in a beautiful village. Penela is a medieval term, by the way. That's about 5 minutes from here. City of Coimbra, approximately 25 minutes from here. And that's it. Hope you've got a good idea of the place. Please get in touch for more details.